What's this? Another redundant phone from Xiaomi? No, I think not. You might want to try this phone out if you're in the market for a mid-range phone. It has a better processor and a higher refresh rate screen than its younger brother, the Note 10. This is the Redmi Note 10 Pro. We will talk about the specs in detail in a later video. For now, let's just enjoy the unboxing and take a look at the phone itself. On the top we have some paperwork, a basic plastic case, pretty basic again, an extremely huge camera cutout. There is a slight texture on the case, nothing too dramatic, just a bit of attention to detail which shows the company tries to care about you. We also have the simple looking SIM ejector tool in the small box as well. Next we have the device itself with a few key features displayed on the front, like a good looking result card. Underneath the phone we also have a 1.2 meter cable that has orange accents at the connectors. And we also have this power brick with a matching connector, and taking a closer look we can see it is 33 watts. Now let's set up the phone itself, and I'll see you when it's all done and set up. Okay, so the device is now completely set up, and I have to say this is probably the lightest device I've held in a very long time. Being stuck in the Mi 10T and the S21 Ultra, phones in that weight category, lighter phones like this one just come in and feel really refreshing. About the phone itself, the back felt really weird to me because I was not expecting this matte finish. Good job Xiaomi, less fingerprint smudges. The color I have is the glacial blue, and turning it up against the light you can clearly see the cool color reflected in the back. The bulging glass on the side of the camera bump gives off an optical illusion, making the camera bump seem smaller than it actually is. Now let's take a look at some of the bells and whistles this phone has. On both the front and the back we have Gorilla Glass 5. Next, we have pretty big stereo speakers, and we even have a cutout on the top of the case for the top firing speaker. We have a power button fingerprint combo, which is pretty snappy. There is this design on the right side of the phone. Cool. This screen is the main selling point of this phone, along with the 108 megapixel camera. More on that camera in our detailed review, and for now, let's just take a simple selfie from the front camera and see how it turns out. Hey, look at that, an oily potato. Beauty mode must be turned on by default, so let's try again with that turned off. Okay, wow, this is nice. Everything's crisp and sharp, I can see every little detail, and the colors are darker than life. For a front camera, I would expect more punchier colors. Okay, lastly, let's talk about price. Locally in Pakistan, this would be available for around 45,000 rupees for the base model. Internationally, it would be available for around 240 US dollars, I think. I will put the links in the description box below. And we will be doing an in-depth review after I use this phone for a while, and an in-depth camera review as well, so do subscribe if that's something you're interested in. Well, that's all we have for you today. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and we'll keep bringing you better unboxings, reviews, and much more.